Let's have a look at this week's bouquets and the flowers being used. Good morning. What a beautiful day so far. It's Melbourne though, so let's expect rain at some time, but the sun's out, which is really lovely to work with. Today I would like to show you our weekly display of flowers for our online shop and in our shop, which is nice, fragrant and beautiful. We're using current winter flowers fresh from the market, so everything is blooming really nicely and slowly, which is always good with the cooler weather. Okay, let's get back to the video. I find that wet packing is essential. We like to keep everything fresh and fragrant till they get to the customer. So when we're doing deliveries or pickups are happening, we wet pack everything so it's got a nice wet cloth and it can keep everything nice and fresh. But it's only good for a couple of hours or so, but it really needs to go into fresh water once it's there. But it just holds it on a bit longer, makes it look really nice and presentable. love creating bouquets, so this one here is me creating a white and yellow bouquet using lovely roses. We've got some misty, which I haven't really seen in different colours, which has been really fun to play with. And we're sort of working on structure and form and just creating something quite large. So we're doing sort of a spread out technique. Basically, once we get to a large size and our hands can't handle it anymore, we just tie it up, and then through there we're able to get our material and keep adding into it that way. So we can keep all our spiral tied together and then add to the spiral, and it still ends up in a nice spiral at the end. But it's always good to tie things up when they're looking nice, and then we can just see if it looks good or if we need to add, or we can just take away, and then we haven't messed up our bouquet, have to start again. the shape that's formed, and then all angles are at different heights and different angles, so it just gives that volume and it makes it look nice and fresh. The yellows and the whites work really well together, and it's mainly with their long roses, which are 50 centimeters. They're sort of sitting a bit lower, but it makes the volume look nice and expanded. Before I leave you, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed everything. I'll be making more videos like these with a bit more commentary as we go. So I'll just leave you with another large bouquet that I made this week, which is beautiful blues with the nice delphiniums coming up for winter, which is really nice. Then we're using disc buds and some lovely roses, and just making the pinks and purples and blues nice and colourful, and making sure everything stands out so it's enjoyed by everyone. So thank you again. Have a nice day.